Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm happy to show you this chick in an egg paint kit. Everything that you need to complete this project will be included in your packet: the paint, the brushes, the cutout, and the Sharpie brush stroke marker used to outline. I'm going in first with the soft yellow color that's provided in a number 12 flat, which will be the largest brush in your packet. And I'm just base coating my little chick here. And yellow is one of those colors that sometimes you have to do a second coat with. This one's actually turning out pretty good, so I'll probably just do one coat, but you can use your own discretion when deciding. And I want to let you guys know that you can purchase this kit online at buildacross.com. We also have other kits options that you can choose from for different seasons. And again, everything you need is provided in the kit. Also, if you want to catch me live on Facebook, we go live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Central Time, and we would be so happy to see you there. Now I'm just wiping off that number 12 flat brush to be able to go in and use it again. I like to keep baby wipes or a bowl of water and paper towels nearby so that I can continue to reuse my brushes. And I'm going in with the baby blue color that's provided and painting my egg. And you guys, don't worry if you get outside the lines a little bit, because all that will be cleaned up whenever we outline. Again, just wiping that brush off so that I can go in with my white now and paint the little fluff on the top of his head. This little spot is so cute to me. And again, white is one of those colors that sometimes you'll need a second coat on, so you can decide that after it dries. And then I'm going to go in with some orange paint and paint his nose. And I am going to swap to a smaller brush for his nose, just because it's smaller, and this will help me have cleaner lines. Once I'm done base coating everything, I will allow everything plenty of time to dry completely. And that way I can go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and begin to outline. This is the funnest part to me because this marker makes it so easy and the lines so clean. And this is kind of when everything starts to come to life. Once I'm done outlining, I'm going to grab my number 4 round and some white paint and highlight everything. And that'll complete my look, just kind of finish and soften everything up. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and this paint kit, and I hope you have a wonderful day.